Launching a career in tech these days can feel like you're trying to navigate a maze in the dark. But what if you had an AI copilot, something guiding you through every single turn? Well, today we're going to dig into a platform called HeyDecode that promises to do just that. From the moment you start learning, all the way to absolutely acing your job interviews.
And really, this is the million-dollar question, isn't it? The tech world is just exploding with opportunities, which is awesome, but it's also more complicated and more competitive than it has ever been. So, the real question is, where do you even begin?
Look, we all know the high-paying, really exciting jobs are out there, especially in these hot fields like AI, Salesforce, and web development. The potential is just massive. But if you're the one trying to break in, the path forward can feel, well, completely scattered. It's tough to know where to even start.
And that's exactly why the first step isn't just about learning random things. It's about choosing a clear path. Instead of just guessing what to learn next, you need a structured career track, something that builds the exact skills that employers are desperate to hire for right now. And HeyDecode breaks this down into 3 core areas.
First up, you've got the AI and data science track. I mean, if you want to be working on the absolute cutting edge of technology, this is it. We're talking about going from the core principles of machine learning all the way to mastering the very tech that powers tools like ChatGPT, that's generative AI, and large language models. This is literally the toolkit for building the future.
Okay, next up is the Salesforce ecosystem. Now, you might not hear about this one as much as AI in the headlines, but let me tell you, this is a massive, high-demand world. Thousands and thousands of companies rely on it to run their entire business. So this track gets you ready for those key roles, whether you want to be the one writing the code as a developer, or designing the solutions as a business analyst, or even managing the whole system as an administrator.
And finally, we have the absolute bedrock of our digital world, web development. This path is so important because it takes you from the core fundamentals that every single great programmer needs, I'm talking data structures and algorithms, and brings you all the way to building sleek, modern applications with tech like the MERN Stack. It is the complete package for becoming a full-stack developer.
Okay, so having structured paths is great, that's a huge step, but here's where things get really interesting. It's not just about what you learn anymore, it's about how you learn it. And this is where HeyDecode integrates a whole suite of AI tools that pretty much act as your personal co-pilot through the entire journey.
And we're not just talking about one little tool here. It's a complete learning lifecycle. It all starts with an AI planner that builds out your custom roadmap. Then, you've got an AI tutor that helps you actually learn and code. After that, AI-generated exams get you prepped for your certifications, and to top it all off, an AI interviewer gets you ready for the real deal. So, let's break each of those down.
Every single person who's tried to learn something new has hit this wall, right? You're sitting there thinking, okay, what should I focus on next? The AI Journey Planner is designed to completely solve that problem. It actually analyzes your skills and your career goals to build a personalized, step-by-step roadmap just for you. No more guesswork.
Now, this next tool might just be the most valuable one of all, the AI Code Playground. Think of it like your own personal tutor that's available 24/7. We have all been there. You're just staring at a screen, stuck on a single bug for hours. This AI explains that complex code for you and helps you fix your errors instantly. It turns what used to be hours of frustration into just minutes of actual learning.
And this is where it gets real. This is not some simple multiple-choice quiz. The AI interview simulator actually reads your resume and then asks you specific technical questions based on your own experience. It's designed to feel exactly like a real-world technical interview, pushing you on the details of the projects you say you've built.
So how does it pull that off? Well, it's definitely not just a chatbot. The AI literally analyzes your resume, asks you these tailored technical questions using voice, and then, and this is the most crucial part, it gives you detailed feedback on your performance, so you know exactly what you need to work on before you walk into that real interview.
All right, so you've learned the skills, you've practiced with all the AI tools, but remember, the end goal isn't just knowledge, it's getting a great career. This is the part of the journey where the platform bridges that final critical gap, from the classroom to your very first day on the job.
And the difference in the approach here is just stark. Most programs, they hand you a certificate and pretty much wish you luck. But here, the support keeps going. Instead of you being left on your own to job search, you get 100% placement support. Instead of generic interview prep, you've got that AI resume builder and the interview simulator. It's a true end-to-end system.
And that support system includes some very real, tangible services. We're talking hands-on help building your resume,
optimizing your profile on key job sites like Naukri. They'll even work with you on your personal LinkedIn brand and give you access to an exclusive community where actual job postings are shared.
You know, this level of career support isn't some afterthought or an optional add-on. It's integrated right from the very beginning. Core services like the resume building, the mock interviews, the personal branding, it's all built right into the main programs. The entire experience is designed with one goal in mind, to make you job ready.
So, when you put it all together, you've got the structured learning paths, the AI co-pilot tools helping you along the way, and then the dedicated career services at the end. The result is a truly accelerated path straight into the tech industry. And ultimately, it really just comes down to this: having an intelligent co-pilot right there by your side. One that helps you master really complex skills and navigate the job market way faster and more effectively than you ever could on your own. So I'll leave you with a final thought. In an industry that is being completely reshaped by AI, maybe the smartest way to build your career is with AI. The only question left is, are you ready to accelerate?